Hello to all my friends out there. This video is if money gets tight, just go to your stockpile. If you're new to stockpiling, this is an easy way you can do it. Okay, I think it was last night or the night before, I made a hamburger helper and I used cheese. I bought this $4 cheese. This is really good. I bought 2 of these at grocery outlet. $4 cheese for $2, and I used half of it, so it was $1 worth of cheese, a $1 hamburger helper, and then I put some olives. I just sliced some olives, and that was a really good dinner. And the next day when I heated it in the microwave, it was good. I was going to make spaghetti with mushrooms and mozzarella cheese. That's a good one too. So what's going on here is substituting some cheese and some vegetables for meat. Okay, I did a video on the veggie burgers, and it was potatoes and soy or beans, potatoes and beans, and then they use these fats, and then pea protein and rice with apple and beet extract and these fats. That's what it basically was. So one thing you can do is make better sides like rice, and I have 2 of these beef bouillons, and you can cook your rice in your beef bouillon and add some mixed vegetables to make a nice rice side. You can put some hamburger or turkey burger in it or to the side. And then I have some instant potatoes in my stockpile. And then I have peas for, with the potatoes, if you add a little cheese, that is really going to up your nutrition. And then the other night I made pancakes. No, I made waffles, but it could have been pancakes. And in my waffles, I put seeds, sunflower seeds and pepitas and raisins to up the nutrition in my pancakes with some bacon and eggs. And I have some instant milk, instant non-fat milk. I buy those $1 a package, and by adding milk and cheese to my food, I can skimp a little bit on my meat. And then here I have some canned beans and a package of cornbread. I keep all kinds of beans, so I can, at any day of the week, I can make a little batch of beans with some bacon or some ham and some cornbreads. And if I serve those with some fried potatoes, or if I have some mashed potatoes with some green beans or peas, that is going to be a nutritious side. Okay, I pack my freezer with lunch meat and cheese, and then I have soup. I can still get these 2 for 50 cents. Tomato and chicken noodle. And this is actually a lot of food. And then I have crackers, little various kinds of crackers to go with my soup. And I have some tea with sugar. If you have sugar, that's great. And then I usually have macaroni and cheese. And what I do with the macaroni and cheese is I make it according to the directions, and then I cover it with milk. My prepared macaroni and cheese, and I put cheese on the top, and I bake it down, and you can get some very, very creamy macaroni and cheese. And that milk and that cheese is good if you don't have that much meat. So by adding, and this lunch meat is good. You can make fried bologna sandwiches. You can make salads, and you can slice it and dice it and put it in your macaroni and cheese, and you can make it in salads. So by buying this is very a very cheap assortment of food for sure, but this much food is quite a bit of food for the dollar, and it's quite a bit of cheap food for the dollar. Another thing that I didn't mention is that you can put tomato soup on your rice with cheese. That's good too. I mean, there's all kinds of things you can do, but if you're new to stockpiling, just having this much cheap food in your stockpile. So let's say, I'll try to figure out how much this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, less than $20. That's a lot of food, you guys. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.